If your GE front load washer is failing to start, displaying error codes, or not cycling properly, the main control could be the culprit. I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing this critical part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Remove the screws securing the top panel, slide it back, then lift it up. Set the top panel to the side. Grab your multimeter and set it to volts AC, indicated by a V with a squiggly line. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live electricity. Plug the power cord back in, start a wash cycle, and test each inlet valve by placing the red probe on one wire and the black probe on the other wire. You should see 120 volts appear at the cold water valve and the hot water valve, alternating as the washer calls for a specific temperature. If voltage is present but the valve does not allow water through, that specific valve has failed. If voltage is not present, cancel the wash cycle, unplug the power cord, and continue troubleshooting. Disconnect the wires from the pressure sensor. Set your multimeter to resistance, indicated by the upside down horseshoe symbol. Test the outer two terminals on the pressure sensor. You should see a resistance reading between 21 and 22 ohms. If the resistance is outside of this range, the pressure sensor has failed. If the resistance is within range, continue troubleshooting. If the inlet valve test and the pressure sensor test did not indicate any failures, then the main control has failed. This conclusion is verified through the process of elimination based on the tests we just performed. Unplug the power cord. Remove the dispenser drawer. Remove the screws securing the console to the frame. Disconnect the wires from the main control. Remove the cycle knob. Remove the screws securing the main control to the console, then separate the two. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the main control to the console with the screws that were removed. Install the cycle knob. Connect the wires to the main control, then set the console back into place and secure it with the screws we removed earlier. Reinsert the dispenser drawer. Install the top panel and secure it with the remaining screws. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Great job on tackling your washer repair. We'd love to hear about your experience, so feel free to share how it went in the comments below. If you would like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you ever need a new main control or any other part, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for letting us assist you, and we look forward to guiding you on your next do-it-yourself project.